Latest on transfer news, amathema amaningi athenga ngabe yakhe team iyathenga na. Sanibona bafethu uVanelo. So namhlanje ngizoqala ngeindaba regarding amakhosi iKaizer Chiefs namhlanje bafethu ba-announce their newest signing oku-Adolf Mtasingwa Pitegeko. Lo mdlali lo uqhamuka kweclub yaseTanzania, iclub enkulu ebizwa ngeAzam FC. Niyayikhumbula ke le club le bafethu, there are many players abadlala le eTanzania and ke iAzam FC vele seke yaba close with iKaizer Chiefs. Kwakunomdlali vele iKaizer Chiefs eyimfuna ukumsayina kuyona le club le, but ke bahluleke ukumsayina lo mdlali last season. Umdlali lo bafethu una 27 years old, udlala iCDM, udlala eSwini. Uzoba nje umdlali wokuqala ngqa osekwasayina iKaizer Chiefs oqhamuka le eTanzania. Top bafethu uzofika kwiKaizer Chiefs enze kahle kakhulu because umsebenzi wakhe laphana usimple kakhulu, ukuyodlala nje unumber 6. Unumber 6 ubalekile kakhulu kuyona yonke nje iteam ekhona emhlabeni jikelele. So lo umsebenzi lo kumele ube simple for yena umjida akwazi ukuthi ke aprotect idefense. Ingesazi ukuthi ke kuzokwenzakalani ngabadlali abakhona vele kwisisa iKaizer Chiefs. Bakhona uMabowe, bakhona uSpecial Ndlovu, bakhona uMthethwa. Ingabe ucele uyahamba yini? Singesazi. Ngangitshela comments, are you very happy with the signing if you're a Kaizer Chiefs fan? I've never heard of this guy, but it looks like Kaizer Chiefs, they highly rate this guy. This is the first signing Ayens with you on Kaizer Chiefs, not a free transfer because the other guys were free transfers, but yena umjida usayiniwe uthengiwe kahle kahle. Let's hope umjida he will impress the new technical team because Kaizer Chiefs in a technical team edge. Izindaba eziphumile, Orlando Pirates, they have returned kuma talks with Stelis regarding ugoalkeeper lo befuna ukumsayina okuDublin Boom. Lo mjida ke bafethu goalkeeper omncane kakhulu. Looks like Orlando Pirates isifuna ukulanda i-replacement yakhe uButhelezi. Remember phela bawudedela uButhelezi wajoina iSikhukhune United. So sebefuna i-replacement yakhe uButhelezi bayo-add equality ko goalkeeper isinabo lapha ku-Orlando Pirates. Ngingazi, I've never seen this goalkeeper kakhulu. Yabo kama games amaningi ngisawabonile akhe lo mjida lo, but ke it looks like i-technical team yayi Orlando Pirates iyayithemba kakhulu lentwana le. And ke angithuka kakhulu ukuthi Orlando Pirates they are going for this young goalkeeper because most of the technical team yayi Orlando Pirates, there are many people that came from Stelis. So lo goalkeeper lo I'm sure bayamazi sebehlalile naye kakhulu isikhathi esiningi. So I think uzoyi-add equality kuyona Orlando Pirates ko goalkeeper isinabo. Ingabe mhlambe ke Melimalo Sipho Chain uzokwazi ukuthi ke a step up noma ke sizotrust udlala. Singesazi. You can tell me in the comments, do you think we should go for this goalkeeper or there are some other goalkeepers Orlando Pirates maybe ekumele ibabheke? Mina ngokwami I don't think kumele siye ku goalkeeper abaningi. I think we must trust on udlala right now, and ukhona ugoalkeeper ukuthi DCS ngampromoter avala isikhala sakhe udlala. But ke anything can happen bafethu, nyazi Betway Premiership. Anything can happen. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile regarding umdlali odlalela eMamelodi Sundowns but ke currently who's on loan kwiSimba SC okuNeo Mayema. Neo Mayema umjida is currently having talks with iSimba SC, but ke lawo talks lawo kubuya ngathi ke awabi successful because uSteve Barker ufuna ke umgcina umjida ahlale kuyona iSimba SC on a permanent transfer. Yabo abafuna ukuthi ke abuyele kuyona eMamelodi Sundowns, bafuna nje umgcina abe yipermanent. Umjida ke una 30 years old. Kubuya ngathi ke ama personal terms with iSimba SC awabanga fruitful. Yabo basazobuyela yena umdlali bam-offerishe a new contract angaze abuyele kuyona eMamelodi Sundowns. Singesazi bafethu, anything can happen. Let's hope uSteve Barker uyakwazi ukuthi ke amgcina umjida because kubuya ngathi ke umdlali ubedlala kahle kakhulu last season kuyona iSimba SC. Yabo it looks like uimpressile and they want to keep him for another season or maybe bamnikeze icontract entsha mhlambe ke ama-season amabili noma ke ama-season amathathu ahlale naye iclub. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile kabafethu, umdlali wala eSouth Africa odlala le phesheya njengamanje odlalela iPortsmouth, kuthiwa ke umjida kungenzeka alonwe noma ke adayiswe. Kubuya ngathi ke uLuke Leroux lo dlalela Bafana bafethu team ayidlalelayo ibona ngathi ke umdlali akayitholi kakhulu igame time, and ke mayithola igame time aka impress technical team. Yabo bafuna ke ukumdayisa noma ke bamlone umjida athi uthola igame time khona ke ezobuyisa iconfidence yakhe noma ke bamdayisele kwamanye ama-team. Hope kakhona ama-team amakhulu la eSouth Africa sengakwazi ke approach le club le iPortsmouth ukuthi ke bamsayine umjida. Maybe a loan move kuyona eMamelodi Sundowns won't hurt. Maybe a loan move kuwona amakhosi, maybe kuyona Orlando Pirates. Singesazi. You can tell me in the comments which team umjida ke engamfanele noma ke akhona ama-team level ko England asengawadlalela umjida adlala ko Championship. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile, uPeter Shalulile with uTsehofaso Mabasa. bafunwa yini na? Bafunwa iPyramids FC. Remember ke iPyramids FC ekabani na? Eka Rulani Mokwena. He is the new head coach of iPyramids FC, so they need a new striker, a replacement for uFisten Mayele. So njengoba befuna i-replacement yaFisten Mayele, uPeter Shalulile ongena club njengamanje, benoTsekhofasi Mabasa ongena club njengamanje. Ubuya ngothi ke bazoba ama-potential replacements akhe Mgwena. If umdlali emthanda lo mdlali uyamlanda ngempela. Tsekhofasi Mabasa umdlali loyo esakwi Orlando Pirates, yabo, wamthanda kakhulu yena uTsekhofasi Mabasa. Ngiyakhumbula efuna ukumsayina ngosikhathi kweMamelodi Sundowns. A very good striker okuPeter Shalulile, omunye wabadlali esingambona esayinwe yona iPyramids FC. Ngajabula ke ukuthi kuRulani abalande ubabili labadlali because njengamanje abanawo ama clubs, yabo, and I don't think iMamelodi Sundowns ingakuvumela ukuthi ke uPeter Shalulile ajoine noma imapha ama clubs akhona la kuBetway Premiership. Izindaba eziphumile, iMC Alger leyase Algeria neJS Kabylie thwakela ama team lawo mabili asebeke i-offer on the table for i-Experience ukuthi ke bafuna ukusayina umdlali wala eSouth Africa kuba na Elias Mokwana. Elias Mokwana ke bafethu siyamazi wayidlalela eSkokona United before ayele Tunisia ayodlalela i-Experience. Umjida ke he has been on loan elonwa yona i-Experience, boya ngathi ke akayitholi na game time le eTunisia, but ke akhona ama club amfunayo ku MC Alger no JS Kabylie. Ke ayikakayikhiphi decision ukuthi ke iyiphi team abazomdayisela kuyona. Basabhida ke njengamanje ke iyiphi team enemali engcono khona ke bazomsayina yena uElias Mokwana. Kweze izindaba eziphumile abafethu uLaila K ubonakalile ke ejima with iHope FC. Sengakhuluma ngayo uLaila K bafethu osasanda kudedelwa isiwelele ube free agent, yabo. So ujima nayo iHope FC, umjida uzodlelela yona kahle kahle iHope FC njoba nje isizini izoqala le club le kuMotsepe Foundation. Kweze izindaba eziphumile, Gomora United are set to assess abadlali baseNamibia okugoalkeeper uMervin Kasetura benomdlali oyiwinga okubani okuVeve Ngapi Muwende, yabo. Labadlali ke laba bale Namibia, yabo, bazodlalela iGomora United. Kweze izindaba eziphumile ke omunye umdlali futhi oassesswayo ubani na? The former Kaizer Chiefs player okuRadebe. Mkhumbula ke bafethu Sabelo Radebe wayidlalela nje iDDC yeKaizer Chiefs. Umjida ke he has been assessed by Leicester City FC, yabo. Le club ke le bafethu ifuna ukumsayina umjida as their new player, but ke before bamsayine badinga nje ukombona ke udlala kanjani umjida, engabe ufit enough to sign for a Motsepe Foundation Championship side. Kweze izindaba eziphumile kubafethu uCameron Kennel umjida usejoine iVenda FC kule season nje ezoqala. Sizombona nje edlalela yona iVenda FC. Another player oyijoinile iVenda FC umdlalo bedlalela iBlack Leopards odlala iswini okuDonald Makgetlwa. Umjida ke usedlalela yona inina iVenda FC. Umdlali wayedlalela iKaizer Chiefs neMarumo Galante Kamogelo Mahlasi. Umjida right now he is currently training with iKaizer Stars. Umjida ke currently ubengenayo club ayidlalelayo, but ke buya ngathi ke uyajima njengamanje ujimela yona iKaizer Stars. Singesazi noma ke uzosayinwa as the new player. Kweze izindaba eziphumile, i-team yakwiBetway Premiership esasana kufika iMilford i-announce their newest signing okuba na odlala phambili okusicelo Masilela le top umjida. He will impress the team because buya ngathi ke umjida uyalishaya ngempela inqaku.